All right, lining.
Driving at night should never feel like a guessing game. Your headlights are one of the most important safety parts on your vehicle, helping you see the road. But what happens when your headlights become dim, flicker, turn yellow, or one side stops working? Don't ignore it. Poor lighting can reduce visibility and make night driving dangerous. Before replacing your headlights, make sure you choose the correct type and specification for your vehicle. A headlight that looks right may not always be the correct fit. At RoyalCupNG, we understand how important quality and the right fit are. Whether you need a headlight or another spare part, we can help you find the right one. Send us your car model, year, and the part you need. Let's help you keep your vehicle safe, reliable, and ready for the road. Follow RoyalCupNG for more car tips and spare parts information. Drive safely and never compromise on visibility.
What's going on back? Kayıp mana itu lagi? How do you do it? Andeli.